Well, bakers, we are coming to the end of an amazing year, and I wanted to pop up and tell you about what I have in store for 2025. It is going to be a huge year. I have new series coming your way that I think you're going to love. One of my series is my $5 series, showing you how to make recipes that are usually really expensive for $5. One of the videos that we made was a $5 birthday cake. This is an incredible cake loaded with sprinkles, and for the cake I made a 7-minute frosting, which is a meringue-based frosting that you whip up, and it makes it really easy to decorate your cake. I also made a $5 gourmet pizza, because when I go out to eat, a pizza is almost $30. It's insane. So I show you how to make an amazing dough using really good quality ingredients, topping it with a really nice sauce, great cheese, some lovely salami on top, and a little bit of spice too with some hot honey. It is really fantastic. I bake it in my wood burning oven and you end up with this 5-star pizza. Another series for the new year is Remakes. I'm taking some of my really old videos that did super well back in the day, and I'm remaking them, making them bigger and bolder than ever. One of these recipes is my famous cookie layer cake, which is 4 layers of chocolate chip cookie held together with buttercream frosting. Move over birthday cake, because everybody in 2025 should be eating cookie cakes. And for those of you who watched BBB way back in the day, you might remember my cinnamon roll pancakes. They are getting a facelift. They are going to be new for the new year. They are a really lovely soft pancake with a cinnamon swirl in the middle and then topped with a cream cheese glaze and pecans. They are so delicious and fantastic new recipe to update. And let's not forget my most popular series, Bold Baking Basics. I'm bringing this back with new recipes like how to make your own homemade crème fraîche using just 2 ingredients, cream and yogurt. You let it sit for a few days and you end up with this amazing crème fraîche. Also, did you know you can make your own homemade Nutella? You can, with just a few ingredients from your cupboard, and it is really good quality and really inexpensive. It's such a fun recipe. Also, another recipe to that series is how to take milk and butter and turn it into whipped cream. Your mind is going to be blown. It is such a fantastic recipe and a great trick to know. And in addition to those series, I'm also going to show you how you can make recipes using 5 ingredients. Recipes like my Scottish Baps. This is the traditional roll from Scotland, a yeasted dough, really soft and delicious, and makes perfect breakfast sandwiches. Or you might like my homemade peanut butter cups. These are so delicious and a huge hit with my 4-year-old. They're made with great ingredients like all natural peanut butter, some almond flour, some natural sweetener like maple syrup or honey, and a little bit of salt. They are super delicious. They are a great alternative to the store-bought, and in our house, we love them. So Bowl Bakers, I say bring on 2025. I have loads of recipes to share with you, and I'm excited about these new series, and I hope you are too.